how to add Google Analytics in Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here, and the first thing that we'll need to do is we'll need to open up the WordPress dashboard. Now, once we have the WordPress dashboard open, we will hover over Elementor and then go to custom code. We want to add a new custom code here, and we will just call it Google Analytics. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to log into our Google Analytics page here, set up our data stream, and here it's under data streams, data collection and modification. We just want to click on the website that we have set up, or our Google Analytics account. Now click on view tag instructions, and this will show us the manual installation method, and it's going to generate code for us, as you can see right here. Now we just want to copy this code, go back into Elementor, and we want to paste this code here. So after we have done this, we'll simply click on publish, and we can add a condition. We include it in the entire site, save and close, and that's how you do it. Custom code published. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.